Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiya and today I want to share with you my relaxing weekend reset routine. So I'm going to start off with a nice shower and I want to set the mood. I'm using this sandalwood candle from Peck and Sniff and these cool matches that I get from my favorite restaurant. I'm going to go in with my essential oil lemongrass and my oil diffuser because this is a great combination that goes really well with that sandalwood candle and it gets me nice and ready for my relaxing shower. In the shower, I'm going to be using this Toka soap bar. Just look at the packaging. It's so cute. The scent is called Cleopatra. I also have this in perfume. It's amazing. And look at that soap print. It has a cute siren on it and it's just so nice, soft, and it screams luxury. Once I'm in the shower, I like to start by getting my hair wet. It takes a long time for my hair to kind of get wet sometimes and all the product to get out of it. So I just start by wetting my hair and then I go ahead and take a washcloth and just begin to wash my face with the warm water to remove any makeup or residue that I might have on my face for starters. Now I'm going in with this fresh soy face cleanser to wash my face, and y'all, it is just something about this cleanser and my serum combo that I will be sharing with you later in the video. Like, this has had my skin looking great, just very gloweth. I love it. Now I just rinse my face in the water. To wash my hair, I'm going to be using the BioSilk Hydrating Therapy shampoo. So I just go ahead and apply it to the roots. Make sure I give my scalp a nice lather, a nice massage. For me, right now is a great time for me to do my hair because in order to grow your hair healthy, one of my tips is to never do your hair when you're in a rush or you're not relaxed. I have my candle burning, my diffuser is on. I'm just giving myself a nice massage, breathing in that great air that I have flowing through my bathroom right now. The eucalyptus in the shower is just helping set the mood as well. So I'm at the perfect stage to give my hair the TLC it needs, it deserves. Going in with the BioSilk Therapy conditioner. This conditioner is super thick and great and creamy. So I just put that all over my hair and then I proceed to detangle just very slowly, gently, relaxing and just enjoying my time in the shower. It really makes a big difference. Once I'm done detangling, I rinse my hair and pull it back into a bun so I can just continue with the rest of my shower. Now I'm going in with the Cleopatra soap that I showed you all, and it is just the creamiest, most latheriest, sudsiest soap you will ever use. It's just so smooth. It smells amazing. So I definitely like to just take my time with this and make sure this scent gets all over my body. Once I'm out the shower, I like to pick a nice robe to put on. This one is from Savage X Fenty. I love it because it's just super nice and cozy. It has cardigan type of vibes and feels. It's a short robe, but I like it because it has long sleeves and the pockets are super cute. So now it's time for skincare, showing you the products that I am using. The Exfoliate Liquid from Paula's Choice. This Summer's Fridays serum is really just amazing and it has been doing wonders for my skin, as well as the Innisfree moisturizer. I'll have all these products linked down below, but I just like to take my time, really just rub on myself and my skin, use my roller ball, that kind of thing, and just take all the steps necessary to make sure my skin is clean and hydrated and gloweth. So now for one of my favorite parts, I'm going to be using this Lush Shea Butter Bar. Y'all, this bar smells so amazing. Like, y'all see it's like half left because I use it and I really love it so much. This will have your skin feeling so soft, so smooth, so amazing. And you guys know I like to use a thicker lotion and butters, especially when I'm doing my relaxing showers, because I feel like it gives you the opportunity to just take your time and rub on yourself. Going in with a little bit of perfume spray. Ebony Woods is just going to go great with the scent combo that I've been curating for the night. And now it's time to cook. So I'm going to be making Spanish octopus. Yes, very ambitious and quite different. I started off with a simple brine and I'm just bringing that to a boil. And yes, y'all, look, there's an octopus right there. I picked this up from my local farmer's market. It's super nice and fresh. What you see me doing right now is just dipping the ends, so when it's all cooked, it'll have a nice curl on it because it's all about those details. Once it's boiled and cooked, I just take it out and I begin to slice it up in preparation for the next steps. And yeah, I am an octopus lover. If y'all watch my vlogs, y'all know that I love this, but I think it's just really nice to take time to cook for yourself, cook different things, cook something that's a gourmet. You know, you deserve it. And yeah, it's just nice to have different recipes under your belt, just to have something that you tried like in your spare time. It just keeps you creative, it just keeps you relevant, current. It's just nice to, you know, unwind and let loose and just do things that you wouldn't normally do. Just try new things, that kind of thing. Y'all understand what I'm trying to say. It's really fun for me, so I encourage you to try it out as well. Maybe not octopus, but whatever dish tickles your fancy, just go for it. So now I'm just sauteing some vegetables. I love a good mushroom. I'm adding some shiitake mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, and I'm adding some green onions, spinach, mixing that all together so I have some nice greens for my dish. Here you see me making a simple aioli kind of sauce. I'm using some minced garlic flavoring and a little bit of mayo and seasoning. As y'all can tell, I love seasoning on my food. And I just mix that together, add a little olive oil, and then I heat it up and it creates the perfect drizzle that I needed for this dish. Now it's time to plate, and of course I try to be cute and creative here, just taking my time, you know, imagining that I'm like on Top Chef and this is some type of challenge, and you know, just trying to be really cute with it and make it nice like how I see it at the restaurants and everything. It was just really enjoyable and fun for me. So the octopus really tasted great and I was so proud of myself for making this and how it turned out. Now I just go ahead and set myself up for further relaxation. I'm going to light all of the candles that are currently in my living room because I just want to feel peace and zen, and we all know candles just set the mood. So now I'm sitting down trying to find something to watch on HBO Max. It usually takes me a long time to pick stuff, but I ended up watching Julia Childs, which is funny because I was just cooking and she's just like this renowned chef, so I guess that was my vibe. And so yeah, that pretty much concludes my Friday reset. This was really fun and relaxing for me. I'm just gonna cozy up on my couch, put on some comfortable socks, and then I just fell asleep on my couch after this. So thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who it might inspire for their self-care. Follow me on Instagram at Karimu, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!